In this video, I want to talk to you about the magnetic levitating pen. First off, I have to say that this pen is a fantastic gift idea. It comes in a really nice box, which is ideal if you want to give this to someone else. I actually bought one of these as a present for a colleague, just so I could offer something different than the classic mug. And I have to say, his reaction was priceless. He really loves this decoration item. He keeps it on his desk all the time, and everyone in the office is asking about it. The magnetic platform is what makes this pen so unique. It's fascinating to see the pen floating in mid-air, and the magnetic field keeps it stable. It's a great conversation starter and definitely a cool addition to any office or workspace. The pen itself is also of good quality. It writes smoothly and the ink doesn't smudge. It's comfortable to hold and has a good weight to it. Now, I do have to say that the item seems a bit pricey for only a pen and a magnet, but as I mentioned earlier, my colleague's reaction was worth the price. Plus, it's such a great idea if you want to surprise someone with a unique and thoughtful gift. Overall, I highly recommend the magnetic levitating ballpoint pen. It's a cool and innovative item that makes for a great gift or a unique addition to your workspace.